everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my online course that I just started titled Simplified Legal Process of Buying Land in Kenya for Kenyans in Kenya, abroad and foreigners. For those who don't know yet, I've started an online course that is aimed at guiding people while buying land in Kenya. Before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I am Ruth Tanui, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I'm also the founder and managing partner of Ruth Tanui and Company Advocates. I am also the author of Simplified Legal Process of Buying Land in Kenya. So, by the way, thank you to everyone who has already signed up so far for the online course. But this video is mainly to share what people should expect from the online course. But then in this channel, I share legal content on legal content on maybe, let's say, for instance, land law, employment law, family law. I also share my journey on starting my own law firm and also the journey of others who have also started their own law firms. Basically, just sharing career advice. So if that's something you're interested in, you can go ahead to subscribe. Thank you. Why this online course? In the process of selling my book, Simplified Legal Process of Buying Land in Kenya, I've interacted with a lot of people, both in Kenya and outside Kenya, because sharing the way they have been conned while buying land in Kenya. And it's mainly because, like, I came to realize it's because people don't understand the processes, or they don't follow the steps for buying land that you're required for. Like, for instance, someone may not do a search. And also in the process of, because I'm in my law firm, interacting with clients, I've also realized a lot of people make mistakes. There have been a lot of instances where by the time someone is getting an advocate, they have already made a mistake. Like, someone has paid more than half of the purchase price and they didn't do their own due diligence. They didn't do the search on the property. They didn't do the search on the real estate company. They did nothing, and they have already made payment. So that's why I've decided to start this online course. So this online course, because I wanted to make it more interactive, where at least everyone who signs up will benefit from it, I'm going to only sign up for the first cohort. I'm only going to sign up 20 people, and the course is going for 10,000 shillings. But currently there's a discount for the first people who are going to sign up, so you're going to pay 8,000 for the entire course. So what to expect from the course? The online course will kick off on 1st October 2021, which will be on a Friday. On that Friday, I'm going to send out in the introductory material where it will be a summary of what you'll expect from the entire course. On 4th of October, which will now be week 1, we'll kick off with module 1, which will be mistakes people make while buying land in Kenya. So I'll divide them into 2, because sometimes you might be buying from a real estate company or sometimes you might be buying from an individual. So I'll divide the mistakes into 2. And then I'll send out the material on 4th of October to everyone who have signed up. And because the materials by the way will be in article form and video forms. So, and then on 8th of October, which will be on a Friday, at 8 p.m. East African time, I'm going to have a live lesson. We'll have a recap for the entire module. It will be a Q&A for everyone who will have a question on that module. Then for the people outside Kenya, we will set up time according to your timeline within that week, so that at least we deal with module 1. Second week, which now would be 11th October to 15th October, we're going to deal with module 2, which is the beginner's guide to buying land in Kenya. Again, I plan to divide this into 2, if you're buying from an individual or when you're buying from a real estate company. I'll send out materials on 11th of October, and then on 15th of October, same time, we're going to have a live session to discuss that module, where I'll do a recap and also we can have Q&A for everyone who will have a question. On 18th of October, we're going to do module 3. Module 3 is now the legal process of buying land in Kenya, which is now the core, which again, it will be divided into 2, from if you're buying for an individual or a real estate company. It will be 18th of October, 22nd. So on 18th of October, I'll send out the materials. And then on 22nd of October, we're going to have a live session at the same time, 8 p.m. East African time. And then, as I've stated, the people will not be in Kenya. Will set up timelines according to your availability during that week. 25th of October to 29th of October, we're going to do module 4, which is basically of title deals in Kenya, which is an ongoing process. For those who don't know, there's a conversion currently going on. It has even started. They're starting with Nairobi County. Let me give you a brief history. Currently, we have like over like 4 types of title deeds under different. Others are under RLA, others are under RTA, others are under GLA. What is currently happening is that they're implementing the Land Registration Act of 2012, whereby all title deeds are going to be under the Land Registration Act. So we'll have one title under one act. The process has already begun. So at least I'll give details of how the process is taking place, how you're going to convert your title, like what are you supposed to do. It's just more of the details on that. On 25th, I'll send out the materials, which is, as I said, to be in article form and video form, where I'll just be talking about the processes. And then on 29th of October, which will be on a Friday, we'll have a live session again, 8 p.m. East African time, for a recap and a Q&A for everyone who is in Kenya. And then outside Kenya, we'll just set up a timeline that is convenient for you. And then now 1st November to 5th November, we're going to do module 5, which is basically professionals you deal with while buying land in Kenya. So basically the surveyors, valuers. Here what I'm going to do, I'll bring in the professionals themselves. Of course, you also deal with those advocates, so I'll be there as the advocate. I'm the one who will handle that part. So I'll also bring surveyors and valuers, like all professionals that you deal with. They'll come in. They're the ones who will do the write-up. So the materials you get on 1st of November should be from the professionals themselves. Here we'll be dealing with different professionals. What I'm going to do is we'll make this live session will be to take longer time, and it will be for 2 days. So we'll have a live session on 5th of November and 6th on Saturday at 8 p.m. That at least we can divide the professionals within those 2 days. The Q&A session and the recap will be done by the professionals themselves to give you more understanding. Because I know what a surveyor does, but I think you'll understand more when a surveyor himself or herself talks about is the one who's talking about what you need to know about it. So that's what's going to happen. So 8th of November, 12th of November, we're going to do module 6, which is advocates costs. Many people normally feel, but there's someone who has reached out through email telling me that they want me to represent them in the land matter. Their land they're buying is less than $1 million, and for them, they know less than $1 million you pay 3,000, more than $1 million you pay 8,000, which is a very big lie. So you find, but then there are many articles that have been written out there. So I don't blame people. Different media outlets have written articles. I don't know where this came from, that less than 1 million, it's 3,000, which is a lie. So you find someone, but then a lot of people go ahead without advocates. Then they come to an advocate when it's already kind of too late. Because for me, I've had clients, I have almost 3 clients currently who have come to me after they have already made payment. They haven't signed a sale agreement. They have only signed the letter of offer. Remember, the letter of offer, especially if the other party hasn't signed, it's not a binding document. So you find getting your money is going to be so hard. It is another one. There's another one who paid for property that had a matter in court. So that what I'm just trying to say here is, I'll give you, so that if you're intending to buy property or you're in the process of doing it, you will know how much exactly. Even when you're doing your budget, let's say even when you're budgeting for, if you're buying land for 2 million, of course, it's not something you wake up one day and decide you're buying land. So even when you're doing your budget, you know how much the advocate's costs are. I'll even tell you the taxes that are involved, stamp duty costs. So basically, I'll even be giving examples for property for 1 to 5 million. This is the fee note. I'll even have a fee note for you. I'll give samples of fee notes. What you'll expect if you're buying property for 1 million, for what you'll be expecting, the range. So this will help you when you're budgeting, because there's normally other costs involved. So basically, that's a summary of how the cost will be. My aim is by 12th of November, when you do the last live, someone has learned a lot. They have understood what the legal process of buying land in Kenya entails and what they should look out for. My aim is to impact. So I'm really hoping that for everyone who's going to sign up, they're going to gain from this course. So that's all. My cost is 10,000, but for the first people, they're going to get a 20% discount. So I hope you have understood. But if you need more information, maybe there's need more clarification, you can reach out through, you can call or text the numbers here on the screen, either of these numbers, or you can also reach us via email, which is also here on the screen. And I'll put the link to sign up at the description box for everyone who wants to sign up. And then for everyone who might be interested to purchase my book, it's here on the screen, Simplified Legal Process of Buying Land in Kenya. I'll also put the link to purchase the book at the description box. But you can still call these numbers on the screen, the same numbers for applying for the course, these same numbers and the same email address. Just reach out if you want to buy the book or you want to sign up for the course. Thank you by this so far to people. I've gotten over 20 people have already signed up, but I got this sense that people were not understanding how the course is going to be. Is that you need that clarity. I hope this video has done that. So thank you so much.